Okay, guys, I'm in a car with my dad and uncle. I'm gonna open this pack. Darkness Ablaze. I'm trying to get Charizard, and I'm gonna open the pack.
Hi, Dad. I can't open mine until we get back home.
Yeah.
Because I only got 4 packs.
I told you.
I can't open this stupid thing. Okay.
What?
Okay. Here's the card code. If you want it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I forgot the words. I was going to scream it out loud.
Then Dark Energy. Forgot his name.
Okay, one more stop.
Trainer,
We're fucking
Simple,
homebound.
Golette, Vanilla,
Vanilla,
Trapinch, Teddiursa, Pencil, Melodic, Reverse Hollow,
Fucking chance that all the snow's gonna hold me down.
and Melmetal.
What snow?
I got a Melmetal.
Panic button.
Now.